Hello, everyone. I'm Craig Simpson. Next to me is Jim Houston.
And this is Game 3 of the Western Conference quarterfinal between the Colorado Avalanche and the Nashville Predators. Langerskog takes possession of the puck. Forsberg passed ahead, moved ahead. The Predators dump the puck in, gets the shot off. Nashville corrals it. Ellis. Mowed down.
That's how you take control on the road.
Johnson finds the loose puck. Juris rocks Johnson. Johnson with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Donskoy corrals the puck. Johnson shoves Ekholm. Hughes jumps on the loose puck. Third one-timer. Colorado grabs it. Shove.
Got him with a good one there.
In all alone. Nichushkin grabs the puck. Nichushkin, hard shot. Rini hangs on for the whistle. Arvidsson gets the puck. Delayed call against Colorado. Kokrick is going off for tripping.
Now, I'm not sure he intended to take the other player down, but that's exactly what happened.
Intention not really an issue here. It'll mean some time in the box. Johansson won the faceoff. In the corner, moved back. Makar with the puck. Sephiroth breaks away. Shoots the puck. He misses by a mile. Delayed penalty coming up. Yossi gets called for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. With 4 players on either side, this game should open up.
Well, look for some longer passes and more odd man rushes. The tempo of this game could really pick up.
Up along the boards. Grundland. Colorado now with it. Donskoy. Harper gobbles it up. Big hit. Quick pass up. And out they come with a puck. Moved up. Kokrick comes out of the box, putting his team on the power play. Passed across. Grundland dumps the puck in. He gobbles it up. One-time shot. Denied by Franzus. Cole gets hit. Yossi has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Nichushkin gets the loose puck. Ekholm hammers him. He takes control of the puck. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Juris grabs the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Nashville. Juris scoops up the loose puck. Yossi has been nailed for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Colorado will go on the power play.
This is where they need to turn up the heat. If they can mount a few odd man rushes, they might be able to do some damage.
Wrist shot. Rini gets a leg on it. Out over the blue line. Johansson jumps on the loose puck. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Played up. Donskoy hits Arvidsson. Colorado makes a line change. Moved up. Juris takes possession of the puck. Langerskog runs over Arvidsson.
He'll get back in the play.
Offside, Colorado. About to drop the puck. Johansson wins the draw. He steals the puck. Scooped up by Colorado. Donskoy. Sephiroth. Colorado grabbed it. Burakovsky. Backhand shot from the left. Zadorov got it, shoved. Out of their defensive end. Quick pass up. McKinnon with the puck. Franzus, blocker save. A delayed penalty call against Colorado. McKinnon will serve time for roughing.
Pushing, shoving, no matter how you slice it, that's too much contact.
The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Johansson won the face-off.
McKinnon, 2 minutes for roughing.
Played up. Over the line. Along the boards. With a wrist shot. Johansson takes control of the puck. Yossi fires hard. Colorado picked it up. Landeskog. He grabs it. Landeskog dumps it. Colorado jumps on it. Forsberg. Duchesne now has it. Wrist shot from the left. Franzus closed the door. Wilson picks up the puck from Franzus. Makar dumped it in. Nashville scooped it up. Yarncroft. Colorado gets it. Dink! Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Moved ahead. Yossi takes possession of the puck. Brian Johansson. Out over the blue line. McKinnon sends this game back to 5-on-5 now that he's left the box. Delayed call against Colorado. Johnson will go to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
Nashville could make some noise now.
Playing on the power play gives them a few more options. Look for them to play very aggressive.
Ekholm with the puck. Yarncroft pushes Zadorov. Yarncroft played up. Out of their defensive end. Duchesne. He gets bumped off the puck. Colorado takes possession. McKinnon advances the puck. Working along the perimeter. Zadorov. Winnie gets the blocker on it.
Not much time to react, but he makes the save.
Intercepted along the boards. McKinnon shoots hard. Philippe Forsberg grabs the puck. Zadorov. The ref indicates a delayed call against Nashville. Craig Smith has been nailed for hooking. Nashville loses a man and gives up the power play.
Yeah, they were hoping to get a little more mileage out of it. Now they'll have to play some 4-on-4.
Offside, Nashville.
Team practice will be.
They're getting ready for the face-off.
Admission is by donation. With all proceeds.
Benamor takes possession of the puck. Over the blue line. Heavy shot from along the boards. Brings it out. Moved up. In over the line. Harper gets bumped off the puck. Johnson corrals it. Breakaway. Wrist shot. And out they come with a puck. Quick pass up. Played up. Offside, Colorado. The puck is about to be dropped. Rantanen. Up along the boards. Turris steals the pass. Rantanen finds the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Landeskog. Yossi pushes him. McKinnon scoops up the loose puck. Swanson. Winnie gets a leg on it.
He uses the pads and makes the save.
Icing against Nashville.
Competition where you'll see your favorite players compete in.
We're ready for the face-off.
Such as hardest shot.
Ellis jumps on the loose puck.
Away competition.
And they get called for icing. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Moved ahead. Ahead to the neutral zone. Turris. Shoots the puck. Turned away by Franzus. Quick pass up. Brings it out.
Last minute of play.
Cochran gets hold of the puck. Turris. Harper takes it. Icing called against Nashville. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Landeskog with the puck.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
Claim your prize.
After a close first period, we're ready to start the second.
Each team needs a good start to shake things up. Look for them both to make an early statement.
Moved up. Played up. Rantanen shoots the puck. And out they come with a puck. Brian Johansson. One-timer. Makar takes control of the puck. Delayed call coming up. Centers it. Makar scoops up the loose puck. Arvidsson gets called for roughing. Yeah, he was over the line there.
Absolutely. At this point, he's just piling it on. And that's roughing.
Colorado will be looking to exert some offensive pressure.
This is their chance to quiet this crowd down.
Rini freezes the puck. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Brian Johansson is one of the best at winning faceoffs.
This player is always a split second ahead of the other guy.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Johansson with the puck. About to drop the puck. Nashville got it. Shoots it hard. Colorado takes over. Duchesne steals the pass. Moved up. Advances the puck. Ekholm stops the shot. Moved ahead. Harper takes control of the puck. Colorado makes a line change. Donskoy gets checked. He dumps the puck in. Hamhuis passed ahead. Working along the perimeter, Sephiroth shoves Turris. Franzus denied him. Sephiroth jumps on the loose puck. Nashville puts its number 2 penalty killing unit out over the blue line. Advances the puck. McKinnon moved ahead. Yossi with the puck. Landeskog. Johansson picked it up. Arvidsson has seen his penalty expire, meaning his team's no longer shorthanded. Rantanen gets hold of the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call. Duchesne knocks him off the puck. Colorado scooped it up. Harper is going off for hooking. Nashville drew the penalty and will have to play shorthanded.
That means playing smart positional hockey on offense and scrambling on defense. It'll be a tough few minutes.
Let's see what happens. Rini made the leg save.
Off the pads for the save.
Ahead to the neutral zone. Makar takes control of the puck. Landeskog. Up along the boards.
Shoved. Got a big piece of him there.
Landeskog skewers Turris. Makar jumps on the loose puck. Makar, wrist shot. Rini made the pad save. Rini hangs on for the whistle. Now this is the player who knows the value of a good pass.
He's got an uncanny vision and knows how to hit the open man.
Ekholm knocked him off the puck. Colorado picks it up. Burakovsky. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Cole gets hammered. Sephiroth gets hold of the puck. Shoved.
There was some contact on the play, but no whistle.
Donskoy scoops up the loose puck. With a wrist shot, Rini stones him. Moved back. Across. Cochran knocks the puck loose. Colorado grabbed it. Burakovsky fired it hard. It's off the post. Sephiroth takes the puck. Cole. Wrist shot on the right. Rini. Great save.
Oh my, what a sweet stop on that shot.
Delayed call. Harper returns his team to full strength as he's completed his penalty. A penalty has been called. Cockrick has been nailed for hooking. Colorado is down a man and looking to their players to hold on.
This squad needs to show some endurance. The next couple of minutes will be a big test.
Yossi with the puck. Over the line. Moved ahead. One time. Johnson picks up the puck from Franzus. Nashville puts its number 2 power play unit out. Yankov jumps on the loose puck. One times it. Duchesne gets in the way. Pass back. Franzus intercepts the pass, and he covers up. Colorado has been struggling in the face-off circle. Let's see how they do here. Wilson gets thrashed. Ekholm takes control of the puck. Forsberg. Colorado scooped it up. Brings it in. He gets rubbed off the puck. Grabbed by Nashville. Ekholm. Duchesne backhands it. Franzus stoned him. Franzus hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Johansson wins the draw. Graves. Yossi with the puck. Out over the blue line. Centered. Cochran heads back onto the ice and is looking to do some damage.
Well, he might feel that the penalty wasn't merited, but I've got some advice. Playing a great game is the best revenge.
Landeskog gets muscled off the puck. Colorado finds it. Cochran intercepted by Nashville. Out over the blue line. Moved up. Cole finds the loose puck. Colorado puts its third line out. Cochran grabs the puck. Graves grabbed it. Colorado scoops it up. The Predators dump it in. Colorado gets a hold of it. Girard gets shoved. Quick pass up. Advances the puck. Up through center. Burakovsky dumps the puck in. Colorado grabbed it. Grimaldi intercepted in the slot. Moved ahead. Sissons gets pushed. Makar gets the loose puck. Johnson has it now. Shoved. He takes possession of the puck. Namestnikov. Colorado gobbles it up. Johnson. Winnie stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Passed ahead. Quick pass up. Played up. Grimaldi gets hold of the puck. Rantanen brings it out. Moved up. In front. McKinnon. Wrist shot. Turris with the puck. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Breakaway. He scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
Nashville would not let this period end without putting up some numbers.
Scored by number 10.
Passed ahead.
By number 50.
Sephiroth jumps on the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Play back. Bonino. Nashville puts its scoring line out. In over the line. Cole. Centered. Burakovsky. Winnie turned the shot away. Girard. Bonino knocks him off the puck. Colorado has it now. Donskoy shoots it quickly. Winnie. Walker save. Burakovsky takes control of the puck with a wrist shot. Bonino stops the shot. Winnie turned the shot aside. Harper with the puck. Icing against Nashville. Colorado has been having trouble winning faceoffs.
Now, this would be a good time to turn that around. The next few minutes could be crucial.
Demonstrated. Then enter our annual Search for the Stars contest at Guest Services.
It's time for the third period.
With a score like this, you can expect both teams to try to crank it up.
The faceoff goes to Nashville. Advances the puck. Moved up. That's offside. The faceoff goes to Colorado. Girard gets rubbed off the puck. Graves gives the puck away. Brian Johansson in control now. Forsberg gets it. Picked up by Nashville. Yossi, backhanded shot. Franzus hangs on for the whistle. Nashville has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. And that can make a big difference.
Out of their defensive end, Donskoy rips it from the wing. Ekholm gets in the way. Passed ahead. Turris over the line. Center off. Jumps on the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Over center. Working along the perimeter. Duchesne gets shoved. Gets the shot off. Rantanen. Centered. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Hamhuis gets the pass from Winnie. Delayed penalty coming up. Rantanen will serve time for hooking. Nashville will see if they can take advantage of the power play.
They'll need to maintain their puck possession to keep pressure on the D. Let's see if they can make something happen here.
Craig Smith knocks the puck loose. He has it. Craig Smith. Landeskog now with it. He gets nailed. Fires. Winnie gets a leg on it.
Pad save. Nicely done.
Johnson takes control of the puck. Philippe Forsberg gets checked. Yarncroft finds the loose puck. One-timer blocked. Landeskog jumps on the loose puck. Change up! Change! Center off. McKinnon. Graves dumps it in. Yossi. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Arvidsson gets pushed. Shoots the puck. Graves gets crushed. Ellis gets hold of the puck. Rantanen. Forsberg takes possession. Offside, Nashville. Colorado hasn't had much luck when it comes to winning faceoffs.
You want to be able to win at least 50% of the time.
Offside, Nashville. The action's about to start. Nashville takes control. Grimaldi. Colorado has it. He gets laid out.
He put him through the ringer there.
Moved up. Donskoy, wrist shot. He's with the puck. Center off. He gets shoved. Turris gets the loose puck. With a wrist shot. Colorado picks it up. Rantanen pushes Ellis. Landeskog finds the loose puck. Cole now with it. Yossi scooped it up. Brian Johansson. Makar grabbed it. Line two! Grundlund dumps it. He hasn't faced a huge number of shots.
Jim, but the ones he has faced, he's looked good on.
Franzus intercepts the puck. Franzus touches up for icing.
We'll be having our biannual food drive. Bring 3 non.
Colorado will need to start controlling a few faceoffs.
Well, so far it hasn't been their strength.
Watson. He gets laid out.
He stepped into his man perfectly.
Nichushkin gets hold of the puck. Along the boards. Wilson one-times it. Smith jumps on the loose puck. Cockrick. He's in control now. Shoots quickly. Colorado got it. The Predators dump it. Colorado grabbed it. Sedorov scooped up by Colorado. And they get called for icing. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Quick pass up. Passed across. Tatar dumps the puck in. Rantanen corrals it. Franzus has it. Rantanen got it. Landeskog offside. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Nashville. Ryan Johansson steals the pass, and this time they've got it offside. Nashville has won most of the draws so far,
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Philippe Forsberg grabs the puck. Wrist shot from the left. Colorado takes it. Nieto Rini has had a lot of help keeping the puck out.
Well, if he gets the shutout, he may want to take his entire defense out to dinner.
Franzus heads to the bench.
They're down by 1, but they think they can get it back.
Forsberg cranks one. He tallies an empty net goal. And that goal will secure the game.
Well, it's a high-risk situation when you leave your net empty, but they had no choice down this late in the contest.
Nashville gives themselves a 2-goal lead in the final minute.
That pretty much guarantees the win right there, Jim.
Cole takes control of the puck. Nashville picks it off. Colorado scoops it up. Sedorov whips the shot. Turned aside by Rini. A delayed penalty call against Colorado. Yes, this one's over. Nashville takes this one and climbs back to within a game in the series.
They're a gritty bunch, and that's proven by their playing here tonight.
Tonight's star, Nashville number 10. Tonight's second star, Colorado number 39.
From Nashville, Tennessee, I'm Jim Houston.
I'm Craig Simpson, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.